You alright, guys? We're here outside what I'm told is the biggest and best chippy in the Midlands. Hold on a minute. Hello? You alright, Mike? What's happening, bro?
Oh man, I was just a bit out of kit. What are you up to, man?
Come with us.
Oh, are you sure?
I'll sort you out, mate. Don't you worry. Now I'm outside. What I'm told is the best fish and chips in the Midlands. Wetmore Road, Burton upon Trent. I need to find out for myself because I'm not sure if this is the best of the best. And I'm fussy about deep fried food, you know, and especially chips. I'm British, bro. Like, I'm half Jamaican, but I'm British. Like, chips have to be chips, you know what I mean?
Flava Chasers, I'm back. I'm here. You can't keep me away. We're ready for some chips. Chip off the old block. Whoa. Let's go.
Before we begin, crepe check. Yes, Barcelona FC, Pata. I don't know who that is. Pata, it's a footballer, right? In we go. Now, would you look at this? Look at the array of spread. Hold tight, Santa. Bringing all the joy, bringing all the chips. Home of the Burton Albion. Lovely family business. Hold tight, the gaffer George holding the cup. Right, it's getting busy now. I don't know what I'm going to order. I think I'm just going to go for fish and chips with mushy peas, tartar sauce, if they have tartar sauce. Judging by the menu, there's loads on there of that. Like, I've never seen chips, cheese and beans in a chippy. Chips, cheese and beans. I kind of want doner meat as well. Tandoori chicken meat and chips. I think I'm going to go cod and chips. Keep it classic. Keep it classic for the viewers, innit? Do you know what I mean? Best fish and chips in the Midlands. Let's see. Let's see. Because I'm a harsh critic, you know.
I'm also a harsh critic, and I have one thing that I look for in a chip shop more than anything else. I'll tell you what that is right now. The correct amount of salt and vinegar. I will see if I get the right amount of that. I will ask the man for that.
And they've decorated the shop really nice, festive. Look, Christmas. Step into Wetmore, Wetmore chippy for Christmas dinner.
It is very Christmas, isn't
I'd say. GCSE fucking drama.
I can't believe how Christmassy it is. They got a tree. They got a tree.
They've got a tree. So we've got a wide array of drinks, as you can imagine. Coke in glass bottles. Coke, Fanta, you got all that stuff. Bottled water, Rio, banging. Well, then you got like some kind of independent brand here. I'll go for a dandelion and burdock, I think. What's that? Cloudy? Oh, cloudy lemonade as well. I think I'll go dandelion and burdock. I've never had a mango tango. Hold on, mind the crutches. I can't. Allow me. How busy are you, mate?
Very busy, man. This is the best chip shop in Burton.
In Burton. I heard the Midlands though.
Well, East Midlands, yes.
Oh, okay. That's a lot of counties, a lot of cities.
I'm rammed in here as well.
Ram.
Guess what? I used to buy my fish and chips from since I've been here.
Yeah.
Never gone back there.
Yeah. Up.
Honest.
Okay.
So if you want fish and chips, this is the place, man. Red one.
Ah, there we go. Straight from the horse's mouth. Look at the size of that fish. Hand to me. Look how beautiful it is. Look at the batter. You can tell that batter's good, man. Look how crispy it is. Look at that.
Now you're talking my language, right?
Look at the size of this fish. Wow.
We're having a mixed meat with chips.
Yeah.
Wow. Come on, man. Come on. We're here with the gaffer's son. Climus. I'm Mr. Flava. Welcome to Flava Station. So we're here in your dad's shop. Family run business.
Yeah, that's correct.
What's the chip saying?
Not only the best in Burton, best probably in the Midlands.
I've heard this. Midlands. Gotta live up to it. We've got our food here.
Oh yeah, you're gonna enjoy this, especially the fish and chips, obviously.
How long's this business been going, bro?
Since 2009, so 16 years in November.
So how old was you?
I was only 4 years old at the time.
4 years old.
Started working at 16.
You was chopping chips down here?
You could say that, but Yeah, I run the delivery section now of the business. We're probably one of the busiest on the delivery stand. So I'm doing a great job as well, not only my dad, but yeah, as a family.
Let him cook, let him cook, let him cook.
Doing an amazing job.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Very nice to meet you.
Mr. Flava. Already forgot your name though, sorry.
Klimis.
I'm bad with Greek names, you know. Klimis, what's your last name?
Andrew.
Klimis Andreu. Oh, you need to be famous, bro. Here you go. Wow. Come here, Lee. Look at this size of this fish. Compared to my head. Do you know what I mean? Proper chippy chips. Boom. I've got myself a tango mango. Never tried it. Let's start with that actually. That's good. Ooh. Tastes like mango to be fair. I'm not knocking their salt and vinegar portion or ratio, but I always go in with more. Oh God, yeah. This fish is gonna be mad. Watch this now. I can tell already. Oh, crispy batter, skin on haddock. Oh my days. Oh, bro. Oh man, look at this. Can you get like 8K on this? Flaky ain't the word. That batter, look, no grease. I hope you heard that on the microphone. It's light on the outside, fluffy, crunchy, crispy, flavorful, like it's seasoned. Beautiful batter, seasoned as well. Mushy peas. Yeah, green. Yeah, green. Hey, Shabba. It's just good, man. They haven't got that weird fizzy bicarb taste to them. Silky, earthy, rich, mushy peas. And as chips go, blood fire. Look, these chips are absolutely incredible. Golden, red hot, not greasy at all. Oh, these are the type of chip, don't even need sauce at all. Like, no ketchup, don't even need mushy peas, man. I just like them with my fish. But these chips, like, weirdly, they're succulent, like crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle. But then somehow they're moist. I don't get it. I really don't get it. Bro, I'm halfway through. Come here. I'm so full. But I can't stop eating it. Flaky, and I love it when the skin's on, man. And the portion size, like, it's not because I'm full, like, I saved myself all day for this, man. I think it's the most generous portion size, especially from a chippy, I've seen in a long time. Look at the size of this box, bro. Which bit ain't you touched?
This bit.
Sure?
Yeah.
Oh, bro. Bro, that ain't no after a night out doner kebab. Oh, look how clean it looks, man. It's not dark, it's perfectly roasted. Tikka, tikka, tikka. Tikka, shaba. Oh, I like this, I think it's thigh. Oh, it's got skin on it as well. Oh. I ain't got no words, man. Incredible. It's sweet, it's smoky, spicy. Like the meat goes through to the actual centre. Everyone that knows me knows chicken. If it ain't kicking, I ain't licking. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Buddy, I don't care. I don't care what you've got on your hands, mate. Legendary status is what's on his hands. Excelled expectations. Best in the Midlands. Damn straight.
Thank you for coming down, gents. Pleasure serving you guys. We strive to do, decent fish and chips. Hopefully it was very good. Our big success is down to not just myself. We've got a big team here of 20.
Come on, girls, can we get a round of applause here? Come on.
A team of 20 staff, and they're all brilliant. They're the guys that make the shop the success it is.
Honestly, they said this was the best fish and chips in the Midlands. Wetmore Road fish and chips. Absolutely staggering. Portion size, I can't eat anymore. Look at the takeaway we've got.
This is so heavy.
It's mad. Portion size, quality, like no grease. You know, sometimes like your fish and chips got that grease in the bottom of it. None of that. Like they drain it properly. The batter's even seasoned. Look, another happy customer. Look, Deliveroo's coming. Just Eat's coming. Like people are coming, going. It's like a train station. It would be an understatement to even say it lives up to the expectation. I don't have the words for how good that actually was. Like genuinely, fish and chips at the seaside don't even trump that at all. I think that was 10-10.
Whoa! I'm so happy coming out of this chip shop. I want it to be full. I want it to be salted and vinegared, and I got that. If you hold this, this is heavy, and this is the food we just couldn't finish because it was so delicious, so filling, so, wet more. I want more of wet, if I possibly could, but I don't think I could handle more. This is the best damn chip shop I've ever had in the Midlands, and the smell of it just makes me want to come back for more.
So if you're in Burton upon Trent or surrounding areas, get yourself down. This is an order, Marine. Get yourself down to Wetmore Road Fish and Chips.
Aye, aye, soldier.
Shabba.